Want soup?
Yes, sister. Yo!
Everything. So some of the people them they just quiet saturated.
Show me the run on the back of this.
Let's
Alright,
say
so
them
this is
mash up.
my first stop. Tell him to come to you.
Tell them to come to soup.
This is my first stop.
Thank you, man. I'm owed this lady some money, so I want to pay it up.
No problem.
All right.
Done? One person named Kayla keep on a call.
She a call?
Yeah.
Alright, stop the video. I'm sorry. Yes, 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 ma'am. Want some warm soup?
Careful. Careful.
All right,
Careful.
friend.
You know where you have 50 cents in me, I get food. And I get 50 cents in the tree. See the food right there? Give me the.
Oh boy.
I got water over there. Do you know what to do?
Ask him.
Rest there, want some juice? So what me I do one time, I see the people that just pull up and just jump out. It's for everybody. Nobody is except out. Everybody gets something. As I said, we got the lady was giving me money for possible last night. Alright? You good?
So what's you?
Hi.
Cute, pretty.
Come around. Come. Come right here. Come right here. Come on. Yeah. Wait for the food.
How you know my name?
Oh, I know your name. I don't know your name. I respond you.
I imagine you said Eddie just now, you know.
Oh, Eddie and him?
That's right.
Never know. Let's say, hey.
So I had to stop because I want to see this pretty girl, you know.
I lied.
The one I glad send the on camera.
But me have soup.
Yes.
Wait.
If I'm a Christian, you're a child of God, man.
So kind.
Blessings are blessings, you know.
Blessing indeed. You're so kind. Thank you.
Yeah, you realize that. That's the night what you
Oh, it must shake real bad tea. Must shake real bad.
show it there, hold it.
you have a small bag of
Cover it. You cover it right?
I'll go along with
You want the curry or the stew?
it. Anything you give me, I will take because you bring it there.
Thank you. Thank you. Hi. You tell me kind of show. Yeah. Talk about. Hey, the sun warm. Huh? Drizzle? You feel drizzle? Probably our piece. Yeah, I feel it too. Feel it too.
Right now, bring her back to me. Bring her 150 back to them. Right now.
Come on, come. Watch out, take a plate. You get one?
You want soup? Pretty girl, yeah, watch mommy. Yeah, watch mommy. So pretty. You wanna?
You want to look on the people and you can't just turn your head so you can never sit up and wait.
Yeah, watch. Why are you watching mommy? Huh? Where are you watching mommy?
Huh?
Huh?
No, give it away.
You got some, Belize?
Every minute on the plate now.
You want to put me on TikTok?
Huh?
You want to put me on TikTok?
You want to put your TikTok?
Yeah.
I'm a blogger.
Huh?
I am a blogger. I do a YouTube channel.
Right. What's your name?
My name on YouTube is I'm a Jamaican living in Belize.
Right.
Subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend. Tell a friend.
Right.
A good deed is all we need.
You don't know what is your name. What is your name?
I am Mrs. Venus.
Right. That's nice. You're doing a good thing here, man.
Right?
That's nice. You'll find it then, right?
Alright.
I'm going to follow you.
Alright.
All the way, right?
True. That's the way it should be.
Yes, man. I'm going to follow you. Thank you.
Soup, you want a soup?
That's the love, right? Don't you have no juice? I would appreciate that juice.
Never get juice in a big cup.
Thirsty, yes.
Right, chief.
Yes, man. Thirsty.
If we get some
Want
small cup.
soup? You want some soup?
Huh?
What?
No love.
Come here.
Thank you very much. You like soup too? Chicken soup?
Jamaican style.
What? Jamaican style?
What you plate?
And I want to tell some of the soup. I'm the house full, right?
What should I? Come to the picture.
Nice, man. I'm going to take a picture of you.
Yeah, man.
Big time for I went to school, right?
I appreciate that. God bless. I watch the weather. I'm supposed to go play some football.
Okay.
It's raining.
Good day.
Good day.
Watch out. Different type of food. No, no.
Yeah. Close the door, this guy.
Yes.
Watch out, watch your pose. Yay. Alright. What? What? Adiante. Adiama.
What school in the bar? School in the bar. Oh.
What? Adiante. What? Adiante. What? What? Them have one next friend that come to tomorrow, so like I've got to share one more. So it just remind me to see if we are with.
Come take a picture with my baby. Remember, tell people to subscribe to the channel.
What?
What is that?
Turn to the see camp, see picture there. Turn over there.
Get it? No, take the thing that never want to come to you. Wow, go take up your travel thing, you know.
Well, catch him on the vlog.
Come on, but you don't like take picture. But you want the man come take food for you. Come. I'm a friend. Come take a picture.
Wait, see some set here come to tomorrow.
My birthday today. Today birthday.
Happy birthday.
Why your friend just said?
Give him some juice. Him say
Aya
more juice.
Rosa.
Yeah.
Now soup, you know.
You afraid of camera? Yeah, you afraid of camera? Nah, bite you. Eh?
I'm do a YouTube channel. I'm a Jamaican. Please tell somebody to subscribe.
Oh, yeah.
Alright. I'm doing as them. Then go overseas.
I'll off there.
Last time one of them she fly in and she just yo, you see me and she say, still do the thing where you share the food and you don't have to say. Remember, they have the money to be bad. Remember the days when I back it and rough out them. There's some super nice streets. Like they could go sit among yourself all of the day in the street. And they ain't gonna be forever. Make a days I don't think. So I'm gonna give her a word of encouragement. Just to try to bless her and fear them. To be like, you're nevertheless, you're never lost. Isn't it? I was something trying to do but motivate them and make them know say, yo, despite the way I got through, there's a birthday ahead. See me? It's going to faith, my girl.
Because me and they have me one, you know. Mom, they call it there at Chicago. Something like
Like I said,
Granny and Grandpa. They get old.
I love it.
See, we have me man give themselves enough respect and love. Negative, like violence.
Yeah.
You try to get that moment, so always respect they always do. So, I never own a gun, I never shot a gun, I never.
They just
Like,
try
I
to
say,
sleep
me
on the
from
righteous
the
side.
night side, I'm from the north side, and, you know.
Together give them the soup. Them go on.
Turn the phone sideways. Turn the phone sideways. Get it? You get everything?
Come on. Go burn back to Annelies. Mr. Don. What you wait? What you wait? Eh? You wait though? You wait though? Damage. I don't know what you throw up on the girl's seat. Yes, you're welcome. Cause we not the
Remember
star.
the first me I come in and say if you can't
Oh.
talk, say something.
Oh, okay. Say something. Give me if you say nothing.
Just say something, man.
Yeah.
I want to know say I know like a one-time thing. I come here before more than one time, so
That's
I
right.
want to say something that the people them say, well, this is a thing we should put in our work. Don't
Yeah.
it?
Yeah, the work is well appreciated.
That's why I come back. I want to make me come back, you know.
Alright. They appreciate you.
Yeah, man. When I walk past on every day and dep on the media, I go like say, yeah, that is it. I come look for you and make you know say, yo, even though it look bad and the situation may in a sticky way, somebody there will care.
I see it, correct.
So when you hear the story about all is beautiful,
Yeah.
employment is down, money they percolate, come out here and see another side to the story.
Alright.
But they know they tell you,
See there?
you know. These are the ground root, the grassroots.
That's
See
why I
right
tell
there.
them say, them the America and attack on the media. But I me live a Belize. When I come from Belize, I see
Exactly.
one and I show the love, and they are full no. You hear say, oh, she for going back to Jamaica.
Thank
You got any juice to them up?
Yes, man, you have to just collect and just stand up. Collect and
Okay,
stand up.
sure.
Alright, understand.
Fuck.
Oh, sorry. Who not getting a park? Who not just...
Yeah, just serve it to me. Deal with it.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
After I cut the plate to that too, because I want the plate done. And somebody...
Yeah, that me realize. That me realize.
You know who me I look for? The local cripple man always down there. So the paralyzed man.
I'm ready.
Where?
Oh, the man with the 1 foot.
No, man, the one that always lay down.
In a wheelchair and in press here, so.
Oh,
Yeah, I'm right up there, so.
yeah, man.
I'm right there at the plaza right up there, so. Yeah.
Yeah.
Alright.
Hold on, I get a phone.
Here you are.
God bless. God.
Hello, watch me, watch yourself.
Boy, I'm a man drunk then. Watch me what you say. Take him by that.
The so come I get some juice with them.
Take him by what you say.
So watch me, watch yourself.
And you want not watching? I just. How do you watch that?
A long time there, wait.
Oh man, sorry about that.
Yeah. Long time, what you see? Alright, can start share them juice now. Oh no, one more Monday as of a food.
Who else?
Him.
Him?
Burger on the shirt.
Oh, yes, yes. Give them
Fork.
the fork.
Here the fork. Sorry. Yeah.
Come now. Come.
Wait now, daddy. Wait now. Juice are coming right now.
Nah. You got anything beside that same thing there? Mama? You have anything beside that thing right there?
What else?
Yes, I don't really want this thing here because that will have the sweet beans.
Um,
got time for waste. Take the thing. Appreciate when lady give. Hold up.
Go for that.
Hold on, man.
Then
Take the thing.
the who
Don't
give
call
me
you
that?
pick and choose. You don't pick and choose and then the girl son. Yeah. Hold up.
I understand the way I say because
beans.
prepare it and not it's soup.
Alright,
So
good.
it's nice.
Yeah.
If you taste it,
Yeah.
do it because me cook it with flavor and stuff like that.
And love.
Yo.
So just
And
taste
love.
it, man. A Jamaican woman cook it.
Bomba.
Just taste it.
Yes,
Now
Give
tell you I
thanks.
love it.
That's how me love you. Give thanks.
Alright, and you can't wait for the juice now.
Yeah.
Jesus said no,
I
sir.
don't want to get in my
Yeah. But me not getting
I
nothing.
see how me and my baby talk.
Yeah.
A real deal we are fuck with.
Yeah.
And me have chant the song. Nobody now is coming at this and try bumbo class or
And the cup of my problem, done.
Come on, family.
You can't choose.
And you can't
You
get
don't
like a
want
cup
it.
or buckle. You know, a buckle can get some. If you look like you can see there, I just 2 cup left back. All of the cup
Alright.
is done.
You don't need no cup, man. Alright. Just boom. Give me brother them want a cup when need it. Right? See?
We have a cup? Come, daddy.
Take out me now, please.
You can't get some cup.
Yeah.
Have a drink it out. Drink it.
Right? I mean, I share with somebody. Yes, correct. You have a pull it. Yeah, just boom by chakalaka. Yeah, love, right? Thank you.
Alright, daddy. So one more year, yeah.
You gonna get it?
No. The one at 13 minutes.
Yeah, the back now.
Yeah. Far away. Far away.
Thank you very much.
One cup. One is first one.
Banana cup down.
Okay. Thanks.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Now pack up properly.
Wow, go on in, man. You're good. Yeah. You must know from it, you're the talk in India. No, how are you?
She got some video with me the other day or so.
Yeah, I see you on them. Yeah, you tune in for it.
How you get it?
You have to go up on YouTube and type in I am a Jamaican living in Belize. Yeah, I am a Jamaican living in Belize.
And then you go back to the
And then you see her, yeah. She'll come up, yeah.
Alright.
So you can watch all of them and subscribe.
Don't say.
Yeah.
Subscribe and like.
Yeah, you don't know.
Yes, man. She a cool sister.
Yeah, she'll just go and try her thing, you know?
Yeah?
Do what she can do.
She quite a big heart though.
Me I tell you.
Quite a big heart. She keep going.
Keep going, keep
yeah,
going.
She have a serious drive.
Yeah,
Serious
when
drive.
she get the fight, she just keep going.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
She is love, man.
True.
And she just do this out of one.
Yeah,
Yeah?
yeah. No, man, she get little support
No, but
from overseas help, but otherwise the cooking and so she alone, you know? Yeah, she just get help for the food,
But
but
they step on it and-
transportation and so, you know, she
Yeah.
have to push gas and so forth, yeah. But she just... Huh?
So, how long will you come here?
Me there from last year, October. Yeah, she there from 2023, I think.
Oh, yeah? You like the vibe over here? Some might, some good, some bad.
Some
Like everywhere else, no?
Yeah.
But you're blending, and then you find that two people and like try to talk how you talk.
Yeah,
Right
yeah.
away we stop talk,
Most
and we start to
of
talk.
them, most of them, because you know, see me, most of them show bad face too.
Yeah.
Not telling a lie, but we know good one out there we really love, you know?
You don't know, man.
We don't know. Tamara, two guys, old guys over there want food, but I don't know if I'm able them not able before walk or something, I'm not sure.
This side don't have a food. It's from my grandpa.
Oh, him from over there? From over there, baby girl? From
Yes,
over
miss.
there? Yeah, oh, them same one.
Say no, it's a girl, Timar. Hey, me a choke. Jesus. Buy what orange juice with mix with watermelon and me a tell it a choke. Me to blood clot. Anyways, it's a girl, Timar. Me no put on the eyelash, me no do the makeup, me no pretty up, nothing at all. Watch it. When my nails drop off. Kiano. Oh, sorry.